Today we'll be changing out your acrylic slider and stationary panel in your screen door. The only tool you're going to need is this flat tip screwdriver. The first thing you want to do is put your screen door in the open position. Then you'll want to put your slider all the way to the hinge side. After that, take out the small channel, slider channel that's on the bottom of the crossbar out, and keep an eye on how it's positioned. You'll need to know this for reinstallation. Go ahead and pull this right out of the track. Then simply lift out the slider, and the stationary panel is adhered to the crossbar with two-sided tape. That might stick a little bit, but just pull it off and take this out in the same manner. When you get your panels, you'll have a protective coating on there. You want to make sure you take those off before you install. First, take your stationary panel, put it in the bottom, and then scoot it up to the top and all the way to the back edge to make sure you got a good seal there. And press the panel up against the crossbar. And install the slider in the same fashion. When you got your slider pushed up to the top, it should stay there to allow you to stick the plastic slider in like so. Make sure it goes in just like this. And now your installation is complete.